Hands-on English, an English language development program created by teachers for teachers. There are 6 lesson types in each Hands-on English chapter, 2 of them being work with text. The big books are used as a read aloud and a stimulus to develop literacy and academic skills. Every chapter features 2 texts from one of 5 big books, a fictional and an informational text. In this lesson and story, the focus is understand and answer comprehension questions and describe details about the story.
Let's do this little story that I brought, guys. It's called Mrs. Hippo and Her Friends. Up here, it has the title, Miss Hippo and Her Friends. That usually tells us what the story's about. Is it about pizza? No. It's going to be about Miss Hippo and her friends. Every story has an author. Someone has to write the story. The author here, her name's Robin Stevens. A person usually draws the story too. That's the illustrator. In this story, the illustrator is Bonnie Lemaire. They did a great job. The pictures look awesome. Are you ready for the story?
Yes.
Mrs. Hippo has 5 friends. Help me count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. She's going to find out what her friends are doing today. Were those the friends or just the numbers? Those are just the numbers. So now we got to meet her friends. First, Miss Hippo sees her friend, Miss Giraffe. Say hi to Miss Giraffe.
Hi, Miss Giraffe.
Miss Giraffe is tall and thin. Hi, Miss Giraffe. What are you doing today? Asks Miss Hippo. Good morning, Miss Giraffe replies. I am just eating some leaves. Can you imagine a giraffe eating leaves? That's what they really do. Hi, Mr. Mouse. And Miss Elephant, what are you doing today? Asked Miss Hippo. Hello, we're going swimming. Do you want to go with us? Asked Mr. Mouse. Clap if you like swimming. I like swimming in the summertime. Finally, that kind of gives me a clue that we're at the end of the story. Finally, all of Miss Hippo's friends go swimming together. What a happy day.
The teacher's guide provides directions to introduce the story through a series of repeated readings. Each reading focuses on a different aspect of the story. This strategy provides students with scaffolds for listening and comprehension.
All right, I'm going to see who's really listening and ask a few questions from Miss Hippo and her friends. Who is the main character in the story? So think about it first. I know a lot of you guys know. I'm going to ask you in the middle. Who was the main character? It was Miss Hippo. Describe Miss Giraffe and Miss Elephant. You've been waiting really nice. What do you think Miss Giraffe or Miss Elephant looks like? Or describe them if you remember.
One is tall.
That's perfect. One is tall. And the other one is? Little's a good word. Which one was little, the giraffe or the elephant? Can anyone help her? Who do you think she was thinking of that was little? I'm going to go with you because you sat up nicely.
The mouse.
The mouse. Good answer. What does Mr. Mouse ask Miss Hippo to do? To go swimming. What a good answer. I could tell you were paying attention.
After the teacher reads the story several times, students engage in pair and group work, integrating speaking and writing skills. Subsequent lessons develop academic skills, such as retelling and sequencing the story. To learn more about the Hands-on English program for kindergarten and first grade newcomers and beginners, go to the website or call us at 800-321-4332.